Losing someone you love is one of the most painful experiences one can go through. And when that someone is your significant other, the pain can be even more intense. But what if you realized that they were the one and you want to give your relationship another chance? If you want to get your ex back, here are some key points to keep in mind on. Take a step back and reflect before you make any moves towards getting your ex back. Take some time to reflect on your relationship. What were the reasons for your breakup? Were there any underlying issues that led to the downfall of your relationship? It's crucial to understand where things went wrong before trying to fix them too. Give them space. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to get their ex back is bombarding them with messages and calls, hoping they'll change their mind. This can push your ex further away and make them feel suffocated. Give them space to process their feelings and give yourself time to work on yourself. 3. Work on yourself. This is the perfect time to focus on self-improvement. Take up a new hobby, hit the gym, or spend time with friends and family. Not only will this distract you from the breakup, but it will also show your ex that you're capable of being happy without them. 4. Reach out in a respectful manner. Once you've given your ex and yourself some space, it's okay to reach out and check up on them. However, make sure to keep the conversation light and respectful. Avoid bringing up past issues or pressuring them into getting back together. This initial contact is to show that you still care and are willing to work on things. 5. Have an honest conversation. When the time is right, have a candid conversation with your ex. Express your feelings and apologize for any mistakes you may have made in the relationship. But also, listen to their side and be open to understanding their perspective. This conversation can help you both determine if getting back together is the best option. 6. Take it slow. If you both decide to give your relationship another chance, it's essential to take things slow. Rushing into things can lead to another breakup. Take the time to rebuild trust, communication, and work on any issues that may arise. Remember, reconciliation takes time and patience. 7. Be ready for rejection. As much as you want to get your ex back, they may not be on the same page. It's essential to be prepared for rejection and understand that it's okay to move on. Don't let this setback discourage you from finding happiness and love again. Interesting fact: a study conducted by the University of Toronto found that 50% of couples who got back together after a breakup were able to maintain the relationship for at least 2 years. Insight: reconciliation is not always the best option. Sometimes it's better to let go of toxic relationships and open yourself up to new possibilities. In conclusion, getting your ex back requires patience, understanding, and a willingness to work on yourself and the relationship. Remember to give them space, but also make your intentions clear. Whatever the outcome may be, always prioritize your happiness and well-being.